If you're considering diving into the world of Linux, but are hesitant to abandon Windows entirely, dual booting, or using a virtual machine, VM, can be excellent alternatives. This approach allows you to enjoy the benefits of both operating systems without fully committing to one. Why dual boot? Best of both worlds. Dual booting enables you to install both Windows and Linux on the same machine. This setup allows you to switch between operating systems as needed, providing flexibility for various tasks. If you find that you rarely use Windows, you can always remove it later, but it's often beneficial to keep it available for unexpected needs. Getting started with dual booting. To set up a dual boot system, you can follow a comprehensive guide from reputable sources like Tom's Hardware. For beginners, Ubuntu is a highly recommended Linux distribution due to its user-friendly interface and extensive community support. Arnaris, alternatives to dual booting, using a virtual machine. If you're not ready to partition your hard drive or deal with the complexities of dual booting, running Linux within a virtual machine is an excellent option. Software like VirtualBox allows you to install a Linux distribution on top of your existing Windows OS, enabling you to experiment with Linux without altering your primary system. Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL. Another viable alternative is WSL, which lets you run a Linux environment directly within Windows. This feature is particularly useful for developers and those who want to access Linux tools without leaving the Windows ecosystem. Conclusion. In summary, there's no need to abandon Windows when exploring Linux. Whether you choose dual booting or running a virtual machine, both methods offer unique advantages that cater to different user preferences. By trying out these options, you can gain valuable experience with Linux while maintaining access to your familiar Windows environment.